Do you want to begin your meal prep for the new year? Stick around to find out which type of containers I use and where I purchased them from.
You're gonna be a shining star, fancy clothes, fancy cars, and then you see they're gonna go far, 'cause everyone knows who you are, so live your life.
I have several meal prep containers. I have some that came with my actual meal prep bag, and then I also have glass containers. But these containers here are my go-to meal prep containers. I'm using the Rubbermaid take-along containers, and I purchased them from Walmart for, I believe, $2.26. I currently have 3 colors: pink, greenish yellow, and blue. So I mostly have pink and blue containers because when I'm meal prepping for myself and my husband, he knows which containers are his because they're blue. So he grabs the blue ones and I grab the pink ones. I also have the Rubbermaid bowls, and I typically put my grapes or my strawberries inside of these containers. They come with 3 containers and the lids. I've never placed these containers in the freezer before, but according to the package, it says that they are freezer, microwave, and dishwasher friendly. So one day my mother came over my house and I had my meal prep containers everywhere. So what she did was she found one of my larger Rubbermaid containers and she placed all of my containers in this one large container, and she also put the lids inside and she stored them in my cabinet. Like I mentioned before, these containers are affordable, but when you continue to lose them or leave them in the back of your trunk for several days, then $2.26 can add up. These containers are top rack and dishwasher safe. So far, I haven't had any problems with washing my containers in the dishwasher. Once my containers are washed and dried, I pretty much put them back into the large Rubbermaid container and I store them away. Well, first I grab a stool, then I put the containers away because my mother put them so far up, I can't reach up there.
Mama, I need a charger.
If you would like to see a second video on what I actually put in my meal prep containers, do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment down below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that notification bell because coming up next should be my ab workout video.